students, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Dear students, as you know that in my last lectures I taught you about energy and basically we have discussed about two main types of energies we call mechanical energy, that is kinetic energy, and potential energy. Dear students, now our next topic is law of conservation of energy. Dear students, let me tell you first the meaning of conservation. Conservation means something which remains constant. Constant means same, which is not destroying, which is not created. Constant, conserve, like conservation of forest you have studied, means forest we are not supposed to destroy. Okay, so same is conservation means energy which we don't need to destroy. Okay, so let us see that what is the definition of conservation of energy. Dear students, according to this law, the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Means ना तो आप इसे create कर सकते हो ना तो आप इसको destroy कर सकते हो, but it can be converted from one form to another form. But you can change it from one form to another form. You have studied so many forms of energy, so the law is saying that you can't create it, you can't destroy it, but you can change it from one form to another form. I hope you understood. Let us take example. With example it will be more clear. So here I have taken two examples. First is at hydroelectric powerhouse. Hydroelectric powerhouse means where your electricity is produced with the help of water. Hydro means water. Okay, so electricity is produced with the help of water, and that water is stored in one dam. You have studied about dam. Dam means where water is stored so that we can convert it into electricity. Or dams are made just to prevent water flow also, so that it will not lead to any loss. Okay, so hydroelectric powerhouse where water is stored, and in that water potential energy is there. Okay, so in hydroelectric power house, the potential energy of dam water converts into kinetic energy of flowing water, and that convert into electrical energy. So you can see that first the water was in dam, and from there the energy was potential energy. After that water is made to flow, ऊपर से उसको फेंका जाता है, ठीक है, that water is made to flow and hence potential energy changes into kinetic energy. But you know that when turbine will move with the help of that flowing water, then kinetic energy will get changed, it will get converted into electrical energy. So you can see this is the conservation of energy, means one form is changing into another form. Let us take one second very important conversion, that is when battery lights up bulb. Battery here means your torch. Okay, in torch there are 2 cells, 3 cells, or more than 3 cells, so that is called as your battery. Combination of cells is called as battery. So you know that what is inside the cell. If you if you have broken cell, then what is inside the cell? If you have broken, then you must know that inside cell there are chemicals, salt. Okay, and that means what is there? Chemical energy. So chemical energy is getting converted into electrical energy. Salt is there, electrons are there. That electrical energy will heat up the bulb. Okay, and due to that heating it will light up. So you just see that whenever battery is lighting a bulb, then how many energy conversions are there? Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Arrow is showing the order, proper order. Chemical energy, wait, chemical energy, yes, chemical energy to electrical energy to heat energy, and heat energy to light energy. Next topic is rate of doing work. Dear students, rate here doesn't means rate means price of something. Rate means work with time. Okay, so that is called as your power. For example, if one work is there and one student is taking 2 hours and the another student is taking 1 hour for the same work, so what you will say, who is more powerful? Obviously, who is doing more work in less time. So that means here rate means work connected with time. Rate of doing work means work done per unit time is called as power. Okay, so the power is defined as the rate of doing work or rate of energy consumption, means how much energy is consumed in how much time. So mathematically you can see that power is equal to work upon time or power is equal to energy upon time. Both are same because work and energy same thing. Okay, work also have joule units and energy units are also joule. So power is equal to W upon T. So it depends upon numerical, that numericals में आपको work दिया है, then also you will apply same formula. Energy दिया है तब भी आपको same formula apply करना है. Okay, what is the unit of work, students? You have seen that in at your homes, the bulb you are using, CFL you are using, LEDs you are using, in all you have seen that how you are recognizing that what is its power. So if you have observed, then it is in watt, 60 watt, 10 watt. Okay, earlier we were using the bulbs in which the power consumption was too much. Okay, and the bulb was I think bulb were 100 watt, 60 watt, 50 watt, but nowadays we are using CFL, we are using LEDs which are consuming very less power like 10 watt, power like 7 watt, 15 watt, 20 watt. So that means power consumption is less in LEDs and CFL as compared to the bulb which we were using earlier. Okay, so what is the unit of power? Watt. Get it? So power is equal to W upon T. What is the unit of W? Joule, time, second. So 1 watt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 second. How you will define now this watt? What can be defined as that power is said to be 1 watt if 1 joule work is done in 1 second. अगर आप 1 joule work 1 second में करते हो तो आपकी power को क्या बोलेंगे? 1 watt. Okay, there are some bigger units also like kilowatt, megawatt. Kilo का मतलब होता है 10 raised to power 3 and mega means 10 raised to power 6. So always keep in mind 1 kilowatt 10 raised to power 3 watt, 1 megawatt 10 raised to power 6 watt, and one more important power is there, that is horsepower. Okay, and 1 horsepower we also call it 1 HP. It is not Himachal Pradesh, it is horsepower. So 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Okay, dear students, next is your commercial unit of energy. So commercial unit of energy, you need to keep in mind, it is kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. So kilowatt hour is the amount of energy consumed at the rate of 1 kilowatt for 1 hour. Means एक hour में 1 kilowatt energy कंज्यूम कर रहा है, या फिर 1 किलोवाट अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, 1 किलोवाट अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड एट द रेट ऑफ 1 किलोवाट फॉर 1 hour. Okay, so what is the conversion? Means you need to convert. Here the commercial unit of energy is given kilowatt hour, but you know that unit of energy is joule. So 1 kilowatt hour we need to convert into joule, and it is very important topic. Okay, so just see. kWh means 1 kilowatt hour. So kilo, just now I told you 10 raised to power 3 means 1 के साथ 3 zeros, watt hour, 3 zeros. Now what is the SI unit? Means main unit, but hour, it is not the main unit. This you need to convert into second. So how to convert into second? In 1 hour there are 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So you just multiply it, you will get 36 into 10 raised to power 5 joule, because W second, watt second is joule. So 36 into 10 is to 5 joule, but when you will convert it into standard form, then answer you will get 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay. Next is numerical on the basis of power. Bigger unit of power is called as kilowatt. this I already told you. Okay, and these bigger units are also explained by me earlier. Next, numerical you need to see now. A body does 20 joule work in 5 seconds. What is power? So dear students, first of all you have to write that work is given, time is given, then what is the formula? This is the formula. Work done is power is equal to work done upon time. So 20 joule upon 5 seconds, your answer will come for watt. So this is all about my today's topic, that is conservation of energy and power. Dear students, with this topic we have finished our chapter number 4 of physics, that is work and energy along with power. And in my next lecture I will solve exercise questions as well as in text questions, and then we will start our last chapter of physics, that is sound. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Have a good day.